Hello student, in the last class we learned how to use brush, and in this class we create some custom brush. So first I open brush panel, click on Windows menu and choose brush. Brush panel is display, click on this thick line and drag. When this blue line appear, release your mouse. Now these tools snap in the UI, click on this small arrow to collapse. If you click on this brush icon, this panel will expand. When you click again, this will collapse. Click again on this button to expand this panel. These are default Illustrator brushes. If you want to create a new brush, click on new brush icon. Three option is available to create new brush. First is calligraphy brush and other two option is Bristol brush and pattern brush. This time I create a calligraphy brush. So click on this radio button and then click on the OK button. Calligraphy brush option panel is display. Here you can change brush name and these are other parameters that you can change. First parameter is angle, second is roundness and third is size. You can also change these two parameters interactively by clicking on these buttons. When you click on this arrow, you can change rotation. And if you want to change roundness, click on this black point and then move inside. You can change roundness by click and drag method, or you can also change this slider. I make some changes here. First I change angle around 45 and then change roundness. And if you want to increase size, click and drag and change size. I put around 21 and then click on the OK button. A new brush is created here. First I draw something on artboard, so I choose brush tool and then click and drag and draw. So I draw a art text here by using brush. Now select all the strokes. If you want to make any changes in this brush style, so double click on this brush icon. This panel will open again. Now you can change parameters. If you want to change angle, just click and drag and changes will reflect. Make sure this checkbox is selected. Change roundness, or I increase size little bit. Okay, I think it's look better. Then click on the OK button. A warning is display. If you want to apply these changes on stroke, click on the apply to stroke. Changes will apply on the stroke. By follow these steps, you can create your own calligraphy brushes. These are very easy to create. Now click on new brush icon and choose Bristol brush and then click on the OK button. Bristol brush option panel is display. Here you can change brush name and second option is shape. I click on this drop down and these are brush shape. If you come from art background, you know about these brushes. These are real world brushes. If you didn't come from art background, no problem, just select these brushes and apply. So I click on the round fan brush and then click on the OK button. Now I choose brush tool, and if you want to change brush color, click on this stroke color and choose any other color. If you want to change stroke width, choose higher value and then click and drag. I zoom little bit. These brushes create real brush feel. I increase stroke width little bit up and then click and drag. Be careful when you use these brushes because they take lot of memory. If you just click and drag, your system got hang. These brushes are very useful for those students who want to apply watercolor feel in Illustrator. If you want to change color, just click on this and choose different color and change stroke width and then click and drag. So now it's look better. You can merge different color by using these brushes. Now I select this brush stroke and then delete. Third brush type is pattern brush. I already create some patterns for brush. I show you. These are some pattern design. First I select this pattern and make a duplicate copy by pressing Alt and click and drag. Now click on brush tool and then click on new brush and this time I choose pattern brush and hit on the OK button. Pattern brush option window is display. Here you can change brush name, and in this window you can see how this pattern will follow on a path. Click on the OK button. Now I delete this. New brush is created here. Now I choose brush tool and then click and drag and create a path. Now I select this path. If you want to change the size of this pattern, change the stroke size and this size will change. And if you want to increase, just increase stroke width. Now I create a ellipse. Click and drag by using shift key to create perfect circle. Then click on this brush. This brush is applied on this circle. If you want to change size of this pattern, change stroke width. When you change stroke width, the size of this pattern will change. Or you can also change this pattern size by using brush panel. I double click on this and change brush size by click and drag this slider, and size will update like this. If you change size value from here, this will apply all the stroke equally, but in case if you want to change size only for this circle, so you have to change the method. So I click on the cancel button, and this time I click on this button, option for selected object. When you click on this button, a different panel is displayed, and here you can change size. When you click and drag, size will update only for this object. When you click on the OK button, no error will show. This time I create a new brush by using this design. Click on this new brush button and choose pattern brush and hit on the OK button. This pattern is follow like this. There are some other option is available like spacing. By default it's set on 0. It means second object is created on the edge of the first object. If you increase spacing 25, so there is little bit spacing between two objects. And the other option like flip, if you want to change the direction, click on the flip button, direction will change. And you can also change flip across direction. And there are some other options related to tint or color shade. And then hit on the OK button. A new brush is created. This time I create a rectangle and apply this brush. So this brush is applied on this rectangle. If you want to change stroke size, you can decrease like this. You face some problem on the corner, so you have to design these corners separately. I already create a corner design, so I move this in the right side. I create this design for corner. I select this brush first and then create a new pattern brush. Double line pattern is created here. Click on the OK button. Now I create a rectangle and apply this brush on this stroke. There is no problem on the corner. In case if you want to apply some custom corner on these points, so you can apply very easy way. First you have to create a pattern by using this shape. So I click on the color swatches and then click and drag this shape in the color swatches. So by this method, this shape is converted into a pattern. Now I close this. Now I select this rectangle and double click on this brush and then click on this drop down to select design for corner. I select this design. Design is applied on this corner and then click on the OK button. Apply to stroke. Corner design is applied on this corner with very easy method. So by using these steps, you can create custom brush for your work. Now we meet in the next class. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel and like this video.